Hey guys and girls, so this is going to be a quick troubleshooting video. So if you guys are having, or girls are having, trouble with your backup sensors, your cross traffic warning system, your park aid system, all that stuff on a Ford vehicle, hopefully this will help you out. So I've actually posted a video about replacing the rear speaker, but driving my wife's car today and I can tell that speaker's going again. And I know that yesterday it actually briefly popped up the cross traffic warnings and all that kind of stuff, that it was not going to work. So we're going to try to back up into a snowbank or near a snowbank and see if it works. So you could hear that sound, and now it's telling me that we've got a fault. Check rear park aid, and then it'll say cross traffic system fault. So you could hear that speaker sound was not, it was pretty muffled, high pitched, and that speaker is gonna fail probably any time now. So again, I gotta go out and spend 40 something dollars on a crappy speaker that's just gonna blow out in no time. But that's the way that you fix this cross traffic system fault and check rear park aid. I don't know of any other way. If there's anybody else out there that can figure this out, why we keep blowing speakers. But if you've gone through the, that's just fuel level low, but if you've gone through the tests, you've listened close to the backup sensors, if they're still making that clicking sound, that means that they still work. This is only when the vehicle's in reverse. So if they're working, the next thing to do is go out, buy the $40 part, and swap it out. The video is up there. I'll put a link at the end of this video. It'll be right there. And hopefully this helps you guys and girls out in figuring out some of the troubleshooting issues with the Ford cross traffic system fault and park aid fault. If you like the video, think about hitting that subscribe button right there. I'm adding new content all the time, and if you have any questions, put the questions down in there. I will get back to you as soon as I can, and hopefully I have an answer for you. If not, I'll try my best to help you out. Until the next video, thanks for watching.